Hi, my name is Adam Belusco, and today we'll be doing a quick walkthrough of the GO GO Cannabis ecosystem, which is comprised of multiple applications, including a marketplace application, as well as a dispatching, logistics, and driver management application. All are mobile-based, iOS and Android, and allow for the wholesale transaction and fulfillment of cannabis products currently operating in the state of Oklahoma. GO GO Cannabis was designed, as we say, to help optimize the wholesale cannabis supply chain. And just a quick introduction on our informational website, gogocannabis.com, where you can sign up to sell products either through our distribution partners with warehousing and integrated transportation, all in a turnkey solution, or direct to dispensaries and other wholesale buyers without facilitated transportation. Or you can also sign up as a dispensary to purchase products from our marketplace. Dispensary accounts are absolutely free, and we encourage anyone to sign up and optimize the way that you are purchasing products for your patients. A very quick overview from the home screen. You will simply find an intro video, the ability to sign up and download our app, a little more information on how we help brands and retailers become more efficient in buying, selling, transportation, and logistics, and then a bit about our founders, myself, and our co-founder and president, Zach Williams. There's also a link here for mobile apps that will walk you through the actual download of the retail, buyer, and dispensary apps. Because of Google and Apple's current outlook on selling cannabis products and allowing for the purchase of cannabis products, we are unable to host our app in the App Store. Being that we are a wholesale solution, an enterprise-based solution, our apps are hosted directly on our Amazon Web Services server, where you're able to just download directly either for Apple or, again, for Android. And there are step-by-step instructions on the website. We also go into a little more detail for both brands, growers, processors, and retailers, as well as some additional resources, which include media coverage and a few tutorial videos, as well as information on how you can advertise on our platform. And then the last thing is a contact form or a login to our web app, which will take you directly to either brand login or sign up forms. Our marketplace is the GO GO Cannabis marketplace, and when you first log in, you'll immediately see different brands that we have available. Today, for today's purposes, we'll simply be using the demo brand to place an order here. Going in, an order is placed just like any other order entry into a marketplace app. So to place an order, you'll simply click on Order Online. You'll then be taken to a menu of products, categories that are available. If we wanted to purchase a pound of this Kim sour flour, we have the ability to maintain different addresses, enter in information for the delivery contact. We also have the ability to pay via collect payment via cash, obviously with cannabis currently in all cash, primarily all cash business. We have introduced a cashless payment provider through a partner and a banking relationship currently operational in Oklahoma, and that will allow people to facilitate payment through automated clearinghouse or ACH transfer. Once that order has been placed, a confirmation email order receipt is sent, and notification is provided to the administrative dashboard, or also to the fulfilling seller, whether it's a direct sell or a product that's being warehoused and distributed by another company. Once an order is placed, the person placing the order, the user who places the order, whether it be an account manager for a distribution company or a dispensary directly, will receive an order placed automated email that carries with it an attached PDF order receipt. The order receipt has the amount, the date and time of the order, the method of transportation, the amount that will be due, and the payment terms. Who the order is placed by in this instance, it was myself acting as a account manager for a distribution company. We also provide a link to a delivery schedule for one of our delivery partners that will allow the buyer to see when the order will be delivered, access to a product return form in case the order needs to be returned for any purpose. This is a simple online form that allows for fulfillment of an order request. Once this is received, then a task will be created in the logistics driver software to schedule that pickup, and a link to product testing. Additional details include the product, the purchase price, and the total due. So now what we're looking at is the admin order dashboard, order management dashboard, as it would be viewed by our team, but also by a fulfilling seller. So right now we have a hybrid of distribution, products, brands that are being warehoused and sold by third parties, as well as direct brands, growers and processors who are selling into the Oklahoma wholesale market. Depending on who is the actual seller representing the seller, this is the dashboard that they would see. Orders as they come in are highlighted in red to be accepted or rejected. And from this dashboard, you also have the ability to view analytics for real-time sales analytics, order reporting, as well as compliance information. These reports can be exported to CSV and JSON for upload to track and trace software programs such as Metric, which the state of Oklahoma recently announced. But it also gives you a good visualization of sales and revenue for your brand over a period of time. And again, all of this is customizable. When we go back and look at the orders, we simply click on an order ID, see the details, who placed the order, our company name, the seller name, email of the buyer, the delivery address. If there's any commission that's paid to either sales rep or admin, again, product details, and then an order history. For this purpose, we're going to accept the order. And you can see once the order is accepted, it's sent to our transportation partner automatically. We've created a task ID for the delivery partner, as well as a live tracking link that once this becomes an order on a truck, we will be able to track the order in real time, and notification will go out to the buyer, and they will receive this link as well and be able to track in real time. So after an order is accepted by a seller, it's ready to be placed with a transporter. This could be a combination of an in-house transporter if it's a distribution company. The partners that we're working with there have sales and logistics delivery drivers. Or it could be a third-party transporter on behalf of a direct seller. So a cultivator, processor selling a product to a dispensary often needs third-party transportation, and we're able to provide that as well through our network of transport agents. We dispatch these through a integrated application to our marketplace called Toucan. This program allows us to come in, view tasks. As we can see, this is the task that was just placed, and then allocate this to a driver. So when we look to view at the task details, we can see obviously the order number down here, which corresponds to the order number that was assigned when the order was placed. That same tracking link that we just previously showed, you can see the details match the details from the previous order receipt that we just viewed. And then once we're able to, once we're ready to allocate to a driver, we can go in and simply assign an agent to this task. And now that task has been assigned to our demo driver over here. And so now we're looking at the mobile apps, and from the perspective of a driver agent who's been assigned the task, we'll click into the Toucan agent app, where we'll see that there is the delivery task has been assigned to us. As a driver, we'll acknowledge this, and we're ready to begin the task. At this point, it's much like any delivery app, ride-sharing app from the perspective of a driver. We'll click into the task. We'll see details of the task, including the order number, the contact information where we can chat in-app with the person if we need to. We can call the person. This is the dispensary contact, the dispensary delivery information, and then additional information. Once we start the task, we'll begin driving to the location. Once we arrive at the location, we'll toggle arrived. And then there's some information that needs to be gathered in order for us to present a delivery manifest. Notes can be whatever you would like. We have to capture a digital signature from the dispensary contact, the receiving agent. And then we ask for a picture of the product as it's being dropped off. The other thing that is mandatory is the receiving agent's name and acknowledgement of the cash that's received on behalf of the seller by the driver. Once that's done, we're able to toggle the task to successful. And now one thing that we do provide for is the ability to send a copy of the digital manifest automatically. And that's done through history, where we'll see the task at the top. That we just completed. And then we're able to export the task, which will create a digital manifest that can then be emailed or text. But it creates a digital record of the delivery itself, the delivery task, with the timestamp, images of the signature, and overall task performance, along with the map. This concludes the presentation and overview of the GO GO Cannabis ecosystem, a business-to-business platform for optimizing the wholesale cannabis supply chain. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any of the information on the screen. And again, my name is Adam Belusco, and thank you very much.